Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? Faithful CEO, Faithful to Freedom Academy. All right, so why now, as far as online marketing is concerned, is because it is one of the best ways to make money, and all you need is a Wi-Fi and a phone. I've done that on so many accords. I had to give some work to my mirror work this morning, just being proud of myself on the fact that all you do really need is Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi and and a cell phone. There are so many times where all I had was Wi-Fi and a cell phone, and I closed the sale. My new thing is I want to master phone sales, and I also want to master closing deals without getting on the phone with people. And it is one of the best ways to make money. Like, if I had to, I learned I had to admit to myself that I have an addiction with scrolling, and I need to stop scrolling of all sorts. I have and it's a serious. Anyway, shit. But where I have a serious addiction, where I'm on social media all day, and I need to flip that addiction inside out. So instead of just being on social media, I need to be creating content. I need to be pushing my brand forward. I need to be dominating, getting clients, getting sales, and because I'm learning that I don't underestimate the power of $20, the power of $10. And scaling my business, you know what I'm saying? And I gotta stop procrastinating and put everything in order. And I'm gonna do that this Virgo season, to stop procrastinating and put everything in order. And if the time is now, we have 3 months left of the year, approximately September, October, November, December. About September, October, November, December. I'm thinking. Wait, hold up. We in August, September, October, November, December. We have 5 months left. I didn't even know that. I think my brain, it be in another world. We have 4 months left of the year. And in 4 months, you can make an income of $3,000, an extra $3,000 if you get started today. And that's what I want to challenge myself to do. What can I really do on social media in 3 months if I get really productive about it? And if I get really, really, really productive about it, what can I do in 3 months? And how can my life change in 3 months if I get really productive and obsessively productive in 3 months, And I want to challenge you to one, start with affiliate marketing. It costs little to no money to start. You can find a website that and I'm gonna use that for cost nothing. I just want to, you just push their brand, you create a brand around what they like, especially if it fits around your morals and duties. Especially if you have a job. One of the greatest ways to start online is to become an affiliate marketer, especially if you have a job, because it doesn't, or you're selling other people's products. So you can find something that you're really confident in, or something that you can get obsessed about, And I'm gonna put this in a video on my thing, my Instagram. And you can say in the next 3 months, I want to match my paycheck. And if you get really obsessive about it, you could really change your life, because it doesn't matter if you could find something where it doesn't matter the age. So, and one of the things I wish I would have did when I was young is I wish I would have just lied about my age and just conquered it. Did it anyway. I was looking into too many things that required an age, but oh, my back. Oh my God, my back. Woo! This? Yo, that's crazy. Just show you the law of attraction really quick, right? On my screensaver, because one of the things that I used to do when I was homeless, and I still do, is when I find a receipt on the floor, when I find a bank balance on the floor, I pick it up. And especially if I want that amount in my bank account. And the screensaver on my phone, it says $1,048. Yeah, $1,048. And speaking about that basketball, we really need to stop. Black people really need to stop thinking basketball and sports is the only way to make money in today's time. It is not the only way to make money in today's time. You probably have more of a shot making money online from your cell phone without your parents' permission than being a basketball player, being a nurse, being a doctor. Like, you have way more of a chance. While you're studying in college, you can have a 6-figure brand online. And that's so possible nowadays. Let me say that again for you. We live in a time where you could be striving to be a doctor and have a 6-figure YouTube brand or a multiple 6-figure YouTube and Facebook brand that's paying for your college. Does that make sense? So we don't live in a time where you have to get a job. You just have to have sacrifice. So, but anyway, back to the law of attraction. Then I'm all about picking up bank receipts, and I'm about to keep it and put it in my wallet. And how do I put this? Hold on. What the fuck? I'll put the motherfucking shit. Hold on. Okay. Then I find a receipt with a penny short. Hold on. With a penny short, and I think just the same amount of withdrawn on the floor. So I think that comes from my mirror work. And I just told myself sales come easily, frequently, like from the video I just made, or I think earlier, and also from what I just said. So I'm gonna put it in my pocket and make sure I put it in my wallet. And that knows that tells me that the universe is in my favor. I'm making the universe my favor right now. So that's a little bit of law of attraction to that the universe is working for me. But you got to be a little bit weird in picking up those things. And anyway, you know my business. You know my business. But like I said, I might have to get some oils from there too. But anyway, you gotta like really understand like law of attraction and all that other stuff. But you really do live in a time and day where you don't have to take anybody's advice due to the fact that you have a cell phone. So because YouTube and Facebook is not shutting down anytime soon, hopefully, and no weird shit starts happening, but take advantage of the internet while you can. That's what I would say. Take advantage of the internet while you can. So like I said, you live in a time where, let me show you again, where with hard work and dedication, in 30 days, this is actually, I would say, in 30 days, this is actually really possible in 30 days. believe it or not. In 30 days with the right online business, that's actually really, really possible. Believe it or not. So I would encourage you to get it popping and get it together. Because we do live in a time where your cell phone can make you so much money. So, do get it together. Do put in the work. Like I'm going to do put in the work. And I think that's the universe talking to me, saying if I put in the work, she, I put in the work, she's going to work. You heard? So, yo. Ooh, that's good. I can put that in my head. I can do that too. Anyway, ooh, I like that. Anyway, sorry. Thinking to myself. But anyway, like I said, we live in a time, perfect. We live in a time where, like I said, a lot of things is possible. So before some weird shit starts happening with the universe and with the United States of America, do make it happen, Peace.